Breaking right now for Sam. I got one 2014 Panini Certified Football and one 2013 Limited. We'll get certified then end with Limited. Good luck, man. Knicks, Reggie Bush. Out of 49, Russell Wilson, 18 of 49 jersey swatch. Out of 249, Sherman, Jeffrey, and Newton. Murray, Percy Harvin, decoy, rookie, Zach Martin, Bernard Pierce, Fitty. Kaepernick, Big Ben, jersey swatch auto out of 290 or out of 699, Asa Watson, rookie card jersey swatch auto. Asa Watson, rookie retro, Marquise Lee, Brady, Alex Smith. Decker, Breeze, decoy, Teddy, Foster, Monte Ball. Tannehill, Luck, decoy, rookie Bryant, Josh Gordon, and Brandon Marshall. Josh Gordon, Martavis Bryant together, that's fitting. Richardson, Rogers, decoy, rookie retro, Ebron, Romo, Dalton. Stacy, 250 points. Decoy, Antonio Brown out of 99, D'Angelo Williams, Jeremy Maclin. Lynch, Crabtree, decoy out of 999, Brown, Gino, and Gronk. AB, Matt Schaub, Kadeem Carey, jersey swatch, rookie card out of 299. Bone Andre Johnson. Yeah, I was going to say that Giants has never liked him. Graham, Wallace, Clint Dix, DeMarcus Ware, and Ben Tate. I'll be watching the Steelers tonight. I'm pretty excited for that, even though it's, I don't care. It's football's back. That's all that matters. I care about. Out of 299, DeMontre Moore. Field Vision, Drake Kirkpatrick. For the Oilers, 25 of 25, Earl Campbell. 25 of 25, Earl Campbell. Out of 99, Gio Bernard, 99 rookie card, Gio. For the Steelers, Marcus Wheaton, 23 of 49, rookie patch auto. He's on the Eagles, yeah. Rookie Tyler Bray, out of 399, Kendall Wright, out of 399. Dalton, some nice hits coming from Limited. Marcus Wheaton, Earl Campbell. Not too bad. Not too shabby. Thanks for the break. There's one more. Oh, yeah, Gio Bernard out of 99. Not bad. Thanks, man.